Hello everyone, welcome back to this new channel, new video, and today I'm going to show you how you can give color or highlight a color to a text, to any text in your Wix site. So I opened the Wix editor, and as you can see I have a paragraph. So in order to highlight a text or a full paragraph, just select the text and click on highlight and give any color. Like I'm giving on this silver color, gray color, dark gray color, like this. But what if you want to disable it like this? This is how it is look right now. But what if you want to just highlight a single word or two words basically? So just select it and give a color, simple as that. So I hope you got or understood whatever I showed in this tutorial of Wixsite. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more such videos related to tutorials like a Wix or something, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.